Please download the pre-filled Challan from here and keep it handy. Now click on Pay Tax Dues. You will be redirected to the income tax portal. On the left side of the home page, there is a quick links section. Click on the ePay Tax option. You can also search for ePay Tax in the search bar. On this page, enter your PAN and re-enter to confirm it. Then, enter your mobile number and click on Continue. Now, enter the 6-digit OTP received on your mobile number and continue. Select the first box labeled as Income Tax and click on Proceed. From the Assessment Year drop-down menu, select 2023-24. Under the type of payment, select Self-Assessment Tax 300 and click on Continue. Make sure to input the payment amounts correctly under the appropriate category. You may refer to the pre-filled Challan on ClearTax to obtain all the necessary amounts. Select the payment amount and the bank to make the tax payment and press Continue. After you click on Continue, there will be an option to preview the Challan details. Double-check the payment information and ensure it is correct. Then, click on the Pay Now option at the bottom of the page to complete the payment. If you need to modify the details, click on Edit. Tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions after reading them and click on Submit to Bank. You will receive a confirmation once your tax payment has been successfully submitted. Remember to download the Challan as you will need the BSR code and Challan number for completing the return filing process. Now, resume your tax filing on ClearTax. Click on Add Paid Tax Details and simply upload the Challan. We will autofill all the necessary information from the Challan. You can now continue to e-file and e-verify your return.